spawn is the good hit this time again.
Just make sure you don't dash into.
Yeah, I know. Accidents are always bound to happen with me. I have to wait until the cars leave, I think. Alright, he's leaving. You have a clear line of sight. Oh! They're opening up with AA instantly again.
I mean, do I need to know?
Yeah, I know.
There's nothing I can do about it. That's what I'm thinking.
They're leaving their Rolls Royce and tank empty. It's not being taken. It's still empty. If you rush very fast currently towards D5, you'd still be able to capture it. Rush, man.
I think they had.
They're both empty. Okay, now the guy is heading for it. Two guys. Ah.
This is like Mad Max. Everybody in the desert riding along. This is pretty cool.
Actually, there's a mode of Mad Max on Battlefield 1942.
Oh, I mean, I should guess. There's modes for everything.
Quite an insane mode, I could say. Both the tank. What the hell is this lone guy doing here?
Oh, I'm airborne. Fuck, I'm dead.
Where's the tank?
I have no idea. I'm dead.
Oh, I see it. Got it.
Oh, did our attack fail?
Yeah, did it?
Not seeing anyone. It doesn't look like.
Oh shit! I bombed the Kirkish car because I thought they were enemy all, but one of them was still out.
Okay, I don't need to know this.
Düşman askerler göründü.
We get steam cars instead of normal cars.
Beni de alın. Topçu atışı lazım. Baş üstüne. Ağaç kaçkınları görüldükleri yerde infaz edildi.
Is that an enemy Rolls Royce? Yes, it was.
Takviye nerede kaldı?
If my plane lands, kill it. They just snipe me out of it.
Düşmanı geri püskürttük.
Enemy tank is next to the northern flag of the
Rolls Royce and first air.
Top desteği gerek.
Now the tank. Got it.
Düşman toplarımızı açıyor.
God damn it, what a fight.
They're putting up a proper defense.
It doesn't matter.
Kind of does. The tickets aren't that much different.
Tepeyi aldık. Vaziyeti muhafaza et. Kaplara doğru. Topçu atışı lazım. Dikkat, tanklar. Düşman gemisi görüldü. Düşman orada. Düşman askerler göründü.
Stop.
Düşman askerler göründü.
There's an empty tank still there.
Oh yeah, on the map.
Blowing it up since our team is not nearby.
I just blow it up. Just blow it up.
Toplar ateşe hazır.
Yeah, they're turning to take the tank. Yeah, someone's in the tank.
Damn it, I hit it 3 times. Not a lot of bombs.
It's smoking. They at least hit it once.
Topçu ateşi lazım. Top desteği gerek.
We don't have anything ready for the second
Topçu
plane, do
ateşi
we?
lazım.
I don't think so. Alright, we got the enemy tank. We have the enemy tank, don't bomb it.
I don't. I can see it on the map. It has a weird icon.
Yeah, it seems like we have them both.
The Rolls Royce is. Oh yeah, I can see.
Oh god damn it. I'm lagging. Yes, do that.
Should I come on the ground now, given the fact that limited use in the air actually?
Stay there. Stay on air. See if there's anything to bomb. I think we're gonna take the enemy back flag very soon.
Yeah, but I don't want to feel like a waiver.
Just wait until we capture this one, alright?
What the hell? Any idea what they were doing at our first flag?
Enemy?
Yeah.
I guess they were trying to cap it. I mean, if they could, they would probably win the round.
Keep hearing an artillery piece firing, I just don't know where it is. Somebody to take that empty Rolls Royce.
Alright, I'm going for it.
Düşman askerler görüldü.
Making a mad dash for it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take it.
Nobody's here still. be able to do it.
Yeah, don't bomb it. Okay, 3, zwei,
Top destek gerek.
1.
Düşmanı gelmesin.
Alright.
It's gonna feel like wait for him, but I just bombed the top of the building.
Yeah, there's no getting out of this with them.
Bakalım.
It's already over.